To another Days on our show. This episode of Invaders was pretty badass. We got where left off with Maki took out Eureka. Eureka was just knocked out. She appeared to be dead due to the fact that how she fell, eyes were wide open, and she did not have no type of color to them. So I actually thought that she was, cause her eyes were wide open. So I thought that she may have been dead, but apparently she was just unconscious. Satomi discovered a power due to the fact that Eureka awakened the power in Narumi, and Narumi gave him a sword. This was it was like a conveniently placed thing. Cause when I seen that, I'm like, okay, he got a sword, now he got powers, now he fighting. Okay, that's feel like a scapegoat, but I don't know. They just roll with it. Apparently, Maki stood no chance right there. She was led to take the spiritual energy from his apartment, and when she used the spiritual energy, she became more powerful. And she whooped Satomi ass. However, Satomi still had the ability to use energy and spiritual energy for some reason. I want to know how. Where did this came from? Who is this guy? They gotta actually explain some of this stuff. Even though the fighting was badass. And the way the way he was going at it with her, she was about to drop the sword on top of him because she overpowered them, and to the point where everybody else came and jumped in and aided their friends. Even the landlady got mad because he fucked up her damn apartment building and just uppercut her. I don't know how she a landlady due to the fact that she's only 16, I think, or 17. I know she go to school, so I don't know how she got any type of ownership of this damn place. But anyway, we got Eureka background, and she was saved by this girl named Nana, and Nana sacrificed herself for her. So she pretended to be Nana. She wearing Nana clothes, and she used her staff. But Eureka's still a magic girl, but she's not as powerful as Maki. Speaking of Maki, it seemed like Maki and the group of magic women try to take out Eureka. Like some shit gonna happen in the next few episodes. Satomi, he really accepted her for being a magic girl, and it seemed like she starting to like him a little bit because he see why Narumi like him. So she thinking, you could tell that she kind of falling for him, especially if we would give her a piggyback ride. But it was a good episode to say the least. It's just a lot of stuff they just don't explain, and me, a guy that analyzes a lot of stuff and like to learn about characters and how some stuff works, I like to hear an explanation behind how this would work, or I can't really invest my time into it. This is how it is sometimes. But anyway, until you guys think, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out of here. Peace.